If your Gimp workspace looks messy, panels are floating all over the place, or your windows just don't look the way they used to, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to reset the Gimp layout and bring everything back to the default window positions. This is a simple fix that can save you a lot of time if you accidentally moved panels around or changed the interface settings and want a fresh start. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Gimp on your computer. Once Gimp is open, look at the top menu bar. On Windows or Linux, click Edit. If you're using a Mac, click Gimp instead because the menu options are placed a little differently there. From the drop-down menu, select Preferences. This will open the Gimp Preferences window where you can adjust all kinds of interface and system settings. Now, look at the left-hand sidebar inside Preferences. Find Interface and click the small arrow next to it to expand that section. Under Interface, click Window Management. This area controls how Gimp saves and restores your window layout. On the right side of the window, you'll see an option labeled Reset Saved Window Positions to Default Values. This is the exact setting you need to restore Gimp's layout back to its original state. Go ahead and click that button. After that, click OK to confirm your changes and close the Preferences window. At this point, the setting has been saved, but the layout usually won't fully refresh until you restart the program. So the next step is to close Gimp completely and reopen it. Once it starts again, your window positions should be reset to the default layout, making the workspace much easier to use again. And that's it. You've now reset the Gimp layout and restored the default window positions. This is a great trick to remember anytime your workspace gets cluttered or you want to start over with a clean interface. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick Gimp tutorials and software tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.